Hello, my name is Thomas Südbrücker, and today I will start with a short video series about how it works and not so much about why. It is related to creating a chatbot. And I use this tutorial, I like this tutorial, create a crisis communication chatbot and connect it to news and COVID-19 data sources. Very good starting point, technical starting point when you build chatbot. This is related to the Call for Code challenge. And the Call for Code challenge means that you build relevant applications impacting human lives for disasters, for example, climate change and, COVID-19. If you are interested maybe to participate in this challenge, and not only to watch the video about this, how to work with a chatbot, go into the description, go to the page and participate. Okay, now we move on. The tutorial. Before we go to the tutorial, I want to use the chatbot and show what it does. I can ask the chatbot, for example, the infections in the US. And when I ask for that, I get the numbers. The numbers are from the John Hopkins source. And I also can ask, for example, for Germany, and I will also get the numbers. And I can ask for the news, COVID-19. And when I do that, it's maybe not the totally actual news, but we get what is related to that. It's a coronavirus and all other, maybe other topics we can inspect by ourselves. So now let us take a look behind the curtain. This is the architecture diagram. What we did, we were the user. Here we are the user interacting with the chatbot itself, with the concrete service here on IBM Cloud. So we have 3 services running on IBM Cloud at the moment. By the way, if you want to access directly the getting started crisis communication, go into the description. You can here too can find the link. So the Watson assistant is the configuration for the chatbot and all the needed topics you really need to implement. You can integrate it maybe also to other UI integrations, but that's in the moment not really important. For us, it's important how to get the information from information resources. And for that, we use the integration with webhooks, with the API, and with our runtime, with the serverless solution called Functions on IBM Cloud. Here we provide the API we can use with a webhook and with parameters, and we can configure with that the access to different data sources. And here we will get the information from the Hopkins API, for example, or from the Watson Discovery Service, the service which has as a data source pre-configured news articles, for example, but we can also fill with our own information and use it as our domain knowledge information source. Okay, so that was it basically. And I want to show you right now the services directly in action. So that means we asked, and we can see what I did. I had 12 communications. So I had some communications before I recorded that video. And also you can see there were some activities in our functions, our serverless solution. And this is the Watson Discovery, and this is the Discovery news source we used. That's enough for that video. That is the short introduction, and in the next video we will create Watson Assistant service. As I said, if you want to get more information, go into the description, check it out. And now it's time for the next video. See you. Bye.